Yes, 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 I can dress. See me wear my shirt, oh yes, oh yes. Button here and button there, I can dress with love and care. Yes, 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 I can try. Pull my pants up high, high, high. One leg in and then the other. Now I'm dressed just like my brother. Yes, 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 it's so neat. Socks go right onto my feet. Red ones, blue ones, striped ones too. I can wear them, yes, it's true. Yes, 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 shoes go tight. Tie the laces left and right. Step by step, I'm almost done. Getting dressed is so much fun. Yes, 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 now I'm set. Zipping up my jacket, yeah, clap, yes. Clap your hands, we all can say, I'm dressed and ready for the day.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe right now.